Hey, what's up, people? Today we are taking out the engine and transmission out of the Samurai. We're gonna put this Clutchmaster 725 twin disc on. Pretty good twin disc. The power levels I'm looking for, I don't think a regular clutch kit would be able to hold it. So yeah, let's get started.
Sunday, Monday, happy days. Tuesday, Wednesday, happy days. Thursday, Friday, happy days. The weekend comes, my cycle hums, ready to race to you. These days are These days are These days are
Transmission off. Let me take this off. All this ACT clutch. Still pretty good. Alright, so this is the Clutchmaster's 725 series twin disc. I don't remember what it's rated for, but I know that's what I need. already shimmed the draw bearing for it. It's a hydraulic draw bearing. I already shimmed it, if you can see right there. Let me not use this. I guess they gave me 2 of them. I don't know why, but it's alright. This quality is pretty nice. Pretty good quality. The clutch is on. Now I gotta do the drop bearing. I'll probably just mount it today. Just leave it like that. The transmission is not going back on right now. I gotta do a few things to the long block as far as clean it up, put on new gaskets, little minor maintenance stuff, fix some sensors. As you can see, it's broken. But yeah, bone stock motor. That's installed already. I don't know if I did this right. Let me see. We got the inlet on the right side, over here, and then the bleed over here. If anybody knows, tell me. Thank you. So that's it for now. Next I'm gonna do, I don't know. I gotta order a whole bunch of stuff. I gotta put this on the engine stand. I don't think I could do it by myself today, but I'm gonna definitely try. Yeah, that's it for now, guys. Thank you for tuning in. Peace.